Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in this video we're going to look at how we can join a session, so as a student or as a participant, how we can actually join the session to then eventually receive the content and collaborate with the host or with the teacher. So I've started a session already, and what I need once I've started the session is the session ID, and that session ID can be found up here. So that's 485335. Now we've mentioned in the previous video that that number actually changes each time, and that's for security, so it's a unique number every single time. I need to enter this number into the join page in order to connect myself to the session. So let's have a look at how we do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a browser on my device. Now by device it could be a Chromebook, it could be an iPad. Anything with a browser can actually connect to Contribute Cloud. Okay, so I've opened up my browser and I've headed over to the Contribute Cloud website, and that's contribute.cloud in the URL up there. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to click on join a session. The join page opens up. I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to enter the session ID, and remember I'm doing this on my device, on my Chromebook, my Windows laptop, my Mac, my Android device, my iPad, it doesn't matter. They've all got browsers. Now I've entered my name, I'm going to enter that session ID and I'm going to hit join, and that will take me straight into the session. The next video we're going to look at what you can do once you've joined in that session, so how we collaborate. So if you've liked this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.